All right, and we are on to gluing. So gluing is obviously a very key part of this process. Many students overglue. Glue is not where the strength comes from for your bridge. The strength is having wood on wood, joints that are tight together with very little or no gap. You do not want to be filling in gaps with the glue. It simply does not support the bridge very well. So hopefully you have cut your pieces so there is very little to no gap between the parts you're trying to connect. Again, with the pins, you're just making little teepee shapes that go over the wood, not into the wood, to hold it in place. So I'm going to take this piece that I know fits nice and tight. I'm just going to make a little dot of glue on my paper. I'm going to dip each end into the glue. I don't need a lot of glue on there, just enough so I can see it. The glue is dyed so we know exactly where it is. And then I'm going to simply place my piece where it needs to go. A little bit of glue will squeeze out, and that means that you have a nice tight joint. And you can just wipe that off if you'd like to. It's not going to hurt you. Now I would need to pin this in place to let it dry. Again, we're pinning it so the wood doesn't shift around. Making my pins go across and over the wood. Again, little triangular shapes to hold it all in place. And it will dry overnight. And you would just continue that process for the rest of your truss until you have it done. So, gluing is relatively simple, but it is vital for your bridge turning out well.